Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Chickaboo. I said I pulled my chickaboo. I'm here with Tan. Hello.
Okay, so I just got back home. I look so rough, child, because it was raining and then the rain got in my hair and now like my hair looks like this. I got a package from a hair company. That's what I wanted to tell you. Then I'm going to go shower because this rain killed me, child. The hair is from a Gorgeous Hair. I am gonna post a YouTube video about them. So, oh thank god, they gave me a scarf. I was actually stressing with the fact that I don't have a scarf and they wanted to do like some scarf thing. And then they gave me earrings. And then this is the hair. I'm probably gonna see you with the hair soon. But for now, like, this is a vlog, this is not the hair video. But for the hair video, I need to film that as well. Probably gonna film it tomorrow. But yeah, you wanna
Unboxing.
okay, we're unboxing a special thing from Incredible Connections. So that was the unboxing. Yo, it's loose now. So I have a new laptop for school because uni/varsity vlogs are coming now. I need a mouse because I cannot do this shit without a mouse.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you?
I'm sweating. Already sweating.
Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different.
Yes. Go. Yeah, bend more. Like you're sitting.
Is that bad though?
Okay.
Oh.
So I got a new jacket. Like, you know how I'm obsessed with this jacket? Yeah, a new obsession, and it's red. And red is like a color that looks good on my skin tone. So yeah. And I also got some glasses. You know me, like I accessorize using sunglasses, so we have to get these. These are the ones that I want from Mr. Price. You know those glasses that everyone has from Mr. Price? I really want those, like, so bad. These are called the Fast Rider glasses, and I got them in white. They plastic, man. Why would they do that? They literal plastic. They look like this, guys. They look like this. Oh my days, they're so cool. Yeah, I've been editing using my new laptop, and tell me why I'm struggling. Like, I'm struggling. It's not as easy as editing on your phone, in my personal opinion. Editing on your phone is way easier than the miracles I'm trying to like do on that thing. The miracles I'm trying to do on the laptop, like I spent a good 2 hours just cutting down what is this, just cutting down the video, and the video is not that long. The video right now is like at 8 minutes, but it came from I think an hour, no, 40 minutes. I cut it down from 40 minutes to 8 minutes. Obviously it's a styling, it's a hair video, so but like it was still difficult for me to do so. So this was the package. I got a pink dress. Get ready. I got me some jeans, chap. I got jeans. I got a 2-piece. I got more jeans. Can you see? 2 jeans and a 2-piece. That's all. Now I need to actually start getting, I actually have to clean first, then I have to start getting ready to leave. And my initial plan was I'm gonna leave at 1 because the thing starts at 2, but I'm not gonna leave then. I'm gonna leave at 2 and get there at 3. I'm like an hour away from me.
When I grab in his face, all that booty you get in his face.
Did you shake hands? Okay guys, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes. Don't change, relax, just the game. Come on, that's baby, guys. Okay, head, shoulders, toes, knees, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, toes, head. Knees, toes, head, toes, knees, head, toes, knees, head, grab.
Yeah. Say hi.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to College Junior's channel. Tango.
Oh my days. Look at this hand. So pretty.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Welcome back to our
It's
channel.
Pretty Girls Worldwide.
Worldwide content creators. One pose.
No, it's okay. But why are you hiding? I was not really. Then you can hide. Conjugation is what's really the whole thing, the whole. But it's so pretty. It is. It's so love it. Look, sponsored by. It's sponsored by Brutal.
I can't take it down. How do you take it down?
Now it's a problem. Oh no. Give me another value. Give me another.
I don't wanna die. I said a boomer chicka boo. I said a boomer chicka boo. I said a boomer chicka rocka chicka boo. I said a boomer chicka rocka chicka boo.
Throw up the sex in the and I can put you in.
I'm here with Tad.
I can put you in.
I feel so beautiful.
Sex in the and I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me.
I want no
I don't care what credit you was in, you can't offer me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I get a sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep seasoning. Hard to
side eye. Side eye.
It looks nice, so I guess it's that.
I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in the and I can put you in.
It's not that the chips, it tastes so good. Can I have some?
Hello beloved. So I know that I look so rough, but that's because I just came back from the clips that you just watched. I literally had such a long day. I just literally got back now, and I think it's around 7 right now. It's 7:45 right now, and I just got home. I know this week's vlog was all over the place. I don't even think I was editing the video and I did talk to you guys sometimes, but like I never introduced things. That's what I realized, and it was all over the place. But nevertheless, I do hope you enjoyed. I'm about to start another vlog, so yeah, I do hope you enjoyed. Please do like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Love you all so much. Bye. Deposit the money.